What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. Gorgeous dark blue paint with the white stripe. RS package was put on. Tinted windows. The tail panel is black. Man, does it look great. 20-inch wheels out back, 18-inch in the front. Nice 350 small block. .350 small block Chevrolet. Pretty mild and stock. It's got a Holly, intake manifold, and carburetor. That's about it. Really mild build. Really fun to drive though. HEI ignition, vintage air, aluminum radiator. Disc brakes in the front, of course. Really nice 2-inch, I believe, cowl hood. All your Rally Sport badging. Interior done up nicely. Retro sound radio. There's your vintage air. Nice 3-spoke wood steering wheel. Auto gauge RPM tach. Really cool car. 69 Camaro bucket seats. Console 4-speed, of course. Just runs well, sounds good. Dual exhaust as well. Underneath, just a 10-bolt. You got some slapper bars, traction bars, whatever you want to call them, underneath there. Overall, a really nicely done car. Whoever had this car took really good care of it. The paint job is in great shape. Look how nice it looks in the sun. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars in stock. Please give us a call at 847-848-1850 or visit the website mgmclassiccars.com. You can see all of our inventory. We are open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only. Make sure you give us a call. Check out the YouTube channel, MGM Classic Cars. Keep checking the website. We get new cars in almost every day. You are not going to want to miss a thing. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. I hope everyone has had a great day, and I hope to see you all soon here at MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. Remember, it looks great here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Let's get you your dream car. See you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.